This is the trailer I got from Aosom and put together. It's really simple to assemble, and it includes the hardware, everything you need to assemble it. I made some upgrades. I added this pipe insulation along the bars and in various locations, including underneath. And I also added this Vastfire remote control turn signal and brake light. A little bit of reflective tape added on the back as well. Here's how the Vastfire turn signal and brake light work. You tap once to turn it on, and then on the remote, tap once for a brake light, tap again for flashers, tap again for off, left turn signal, left off, right turn signal, right off. Tap again to turn the power off. To pair it with the remote, you just hold that power button down for about 3 seconds until the red LED flashes right here. When that's flashing, you touch the LED button on here, and then it pairs it. And supposedly you can pair 2 of these together. And just using these ball lock bungees to secure it.